In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on DocuSign document. If you've updated your name, want a cleaner look, or prefer using a photo of your handwritten signature. This quick guide will walk you through it on the web. Once you're signed into DocuSign, start on the home page in your browser. Look to the top right corner for your profile icon and open the menu. Choose Manage Profile. This takes you into your account settings where all your personal details and signing preferences live, so any changes you make here carry through to your future envelopes. On the left side, select Signatures. This page shows your saved signature and initials. If you already have one, hover over it and open the Actions menu. Choose Edit to update the existing signature. If you need a separate version, for example for a different role or variant of your name, you can pick Add New instead. Before you redesign, confirm your name and initials. These fields control how your signature and initial stamps are labeled inside documents, so make sure spelling and capitalization match what you want recipients to see. Now choose how you want to create it. To handcraft it on the spot, switch to the Draw tab. Use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus to draw your signature and initials. Take your time here. If the line looks jagged or too thick, clear it and try a slower stroke for smoother curves. Aim for something legible and consistent with how you typically sign on paper. If you already have a scanned signature you like, go to the Upload tab. Select a clear image from your device. A high-contrast file works best. Black ink on a plain white background tends to look professional. If you can, use a PNG with a transparent background so it blends naturally on any document color. Crop tightly around the signature, avoid shadows, and make sure the image isn't blurry. DocuSign will preview it so you can check the size and clarity before saving. When you're happy with your signature and initials, click Create to save and apply your changes. From now on, DocuSign will use this updated look whenever you're asked to sign. Keep in mind, this won't change signatures on documents you've already completed. It only affects new ones going forward. If you added multiple signatures, you can choose the one you want during the signing process. That's it. You've updated your DocuSign signature in just a few clicks. If this was helpful, give it a try now so your next agreement reflects exactly how you want to sign.